How to record Google Meet video call on mobile. So one way you can do this, and if it is possible for you, is to use your integrated screen record feature in your mobile device. Usually you can find it here in the top section of your phone or the tool menus, and then just find the screen recorder option. Mine is right here, right beside the settings. We can go ahead and set it to whichever kind of setting we want, and then just turn it on and start recording. If you don't have this feature, it may be hidden, you can find it, but if it really isn't, you could go to your Play Store and just go ahead and try searching for a free screen recorder. So just go ahead and search for screen recorder like so, and you'll have lots of options. Recommended ones would be X Recorder or the sort, but that's pretty much it. You set those up and just start recording by using whichever tool you have while you are in your Google Meet video call. So that's pretty much how you do that process. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.